BeReal, how to change emoji. Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to change emojis on the BeReal app. First of all, you click on your BeReal app. In the discovery section, you will notice this emoji icon that is at the right bottom. You click on it. Here I already have a customized emoji, but let's say I want to change the emoji. What do? I press and hold the customized emoji and then tap on the X button to dismiss. Click on delete. Then tap on the emoji that you want to recreate. Then you recreate it and continue. That's how to change your emoji.